CMOS Automatic. I'm in the new Lexion 780 top-of-the-range model, and I'd like to explain the new CMOS Automatic to you. Two programs run on the CBIS mobile terminal. One of them is GPS Pilot, and I can use this button to switch over to the CMOS Automatic program. CMOS Automatic automatically shows the combine's separation and cleaning functions. For the separation function, the rotor speed and rotor flap position are shown. In the cleaning section, we see the upper sieve distance, the lower sieve distance, and the fan speed. Both units are adjusted automatically by the CMOS Auto Separation and CMOS Auto Cleaning functions. The third symbol is what we call the strategy symbol. The strategy, that's the pre-selected basic operating objective, is tons per hour here. That's to say, maximum throughput. This automatic button is used to activate the cruise pilot, the laser pilot, and the GPS pilot, as well as CMOS Automatic. That means we have one button with which we activate the automatic systems. If we turn the steering wheel, the automatic steering is deactivated. If we move the multifunction control lever, the cruise pilot is deactivated. And if we now made a manual adjustment to the sieves, for example, CMOS Auto Cleaning would be turned off. And if we were to adjust the rotor manually, CMOS Auto Separation would be turned off. My colleague here has just used the automatic button to activate the cruise pilot as well as CMOS Automatic and the GPS pilot. We can see that the machine's forward travel speed, shown here by the forward travel indicator with a little arrow, is being regulated automatically between 4.5 and 5 km per hour. Here we can see how the loss monitors are gradually increasing. And these two black symbols show that the automatic system is active. We can also see here in the CMOS Automatic display that the two automatic systems are active, and we can read the various settings: lower sieve 6 mm, upper sieve 16 mm, rotor speed 860. The machine adjusts the forward speed continuously. It's not like having a driver who chooses a constant speed of 4 km an hour, for example. CMOS Automatic is always seeking to attain the optimum performance. We can see here that the machine is now up to 5.1 km an hour and continuing to accelerate. Here we see the sieves have also adjusted themselves, 13 and 5 mm. We had a different setting a moment ago. And the rotor speed is up to 900 RPM. The fan speed, 1170, 1180 RPM, has also changed. The machine is continuously adjusting itself and changing parameters. Now we're seeing 16 and 6 mm. Machines with CMOS Automatic and Cruise Pilot always attain a higher throughput than even the best drivers, and above all, they can do it for longer. A good driver might be able to outperform the automatic systems for a short time, but the automatic systems deliver sustained high performance without fatigue. CMOS Automatic is our latest highlight. It's an advanced feature which optimizes the machine. CMOS Automatic is only sold in conjunction with CMOS. CMOS is the dialogue software which is being called up here. This is where you decide which area you want to optimize. For example, if there's a problem, let's say the intake auger in the cutter bar is jamming or wrapping. That's a crop flow problem. Then you select cutter bar and specify that there's a problem with the crop wrapping round the intake auger. Then CMOS asks if the stripper bars have been adjusted correctly. If the answer is yes, but the problem is still there, CMOS then asks if the retractable fingers have been set correctly. If the operator doesn't know what the retractable fingers are, he can select the question mark. CMOS will then explain that the lever to adjust the retractable fingers is on the right side, and you need to use a 17 and an 18 mm spanner. If the operator still doesn't know what to do, there's a little picture down here. If he selects that, he's shown what the retractable fingers on the auger look like. And a second picture shows where the lever to adjust them is. CMOS trains the combine operator in the cab, without any supervisor being involved. As a result, by the end of the season, the operator knows more than he did at the start. So CMOS Automatic has a dual role. On the one hand, there's the automatic system, which optimizes the machine autonomously, but, as already mentioned, only the residual grain separation and the cleaning. Then there are the other combined settings, which can be optimized using CMOS. This goes for everything, from the cutter bar right at the front to the straw chopper at the back.